Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the right microphone and immediately preparing the signal chain. Choose dynamic if the room is noisy, condenser if you have acoustic treatment. That choice affects sensitivity and noise pickup. Once picked, connect to a clean preamp or interface, enable 48V only for a condenser, and set gain low. Make sure to position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and add a pop filter and shock mount. This reduces plosives and handling noise before any recording begins. Next, focus on the signal chain and settings to capture clean audio. Use balanced XLR cables to avoid interference and plug straight into the interface rather than a cheap hub. Set the session to 44, 1 or 48 kHz and 24-bit depth for headroom, then check monitoring latency and keep it under about 10 milliseconds so you can perform naturally. Once levels are solid, apply a gentle high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and keep voice clarity without thinning the tone. Finish by recording a test and polishing the sound. You should see peak levels around -12 to -6 dB. If you clip, lower gain or move the mic back. Once levels are good, add light compression and gentle EQ for presence, and use a noise gate only when needed. If you still hear hiss, hum, or dropouts, try swapping cables, powering cycle the interface, or recording in a different room. That troubleshooting path isolates hardware from acoustic problems, so you can fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.